Hello, and thanks for visiting our website and taking a look at our new Living Water Ultra. Living Water Ultra is a wonderful technology. Many things about it I love. I have this in my home, and I like the fact that I don't have to plug it in. I have no plumbing requirements. It doesn't hook up to my faucet, takes up no space on my kitchen counter. I have this sitting in my kitchen where my grandchildren, my family can enjoy fresh, clean water, cooking water that's the highest quality ever, and do it for a very inexpensive price tag. The Living Water Ultra is the first product I have ever seen that gives you absolutely pure, clean water without the waste that you get from reverse osmosis and without the mess and expense and difficulty of distillation. This water plain tastes great. Now, I don't want to spend a lot of time because I want to get you back to the website so you can go ahead and order Living Water Ultra, but let me show you a couple of exciting demonstrations. I've got some water that I took out of the tap just moments ago, and I've got a little tester. Put my glasses on because these days I can't see like I used to without my glasses close up. I'm going to go ahead and turn the little meter on, and I'm going to ask you to hone in on that real close. And notice it says 0 because it's not in the water. I'll tap it down into the water here, and then I'm going to go push the hold button. Okay, and I'll let you hone in real close on that. Okay, there we go. The number is 105. That's 105 parts per million. And what that means is that there is 105 parts per million of invisible contaminants in the water that's coming out of the tap. All right? You don't want lead, you don't want metals, you don't want dissolved solids in your water. I recently saw in, I believe it was a New Jersey report, that they found microscopic toilet tissue paper dissolved matter in drinking water. Very tiny, granted, but I don't want anything in my water but H2O. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the same test, and I'm going to do it with the Living Water Ultra. Now with Living Water Ultra, you simply take this bottle and fill it up with your tap water. Okay, you put it into this crock that has a proprietary EcoQuest Living Water filtering system inside that takes out everything from the water, okay, except the H2O. Now, let's do that same demonstration. You can see it's back at 0. Okay, then we're going to go in and bring it down into the water. I'll push the hold button, and you can see it is at 0. There is nothing in this water except H2O. Now let me do another little neat demonstration. I'm going to take a little tester that shows if we've got chlorine, which can cause trihalomethanes in our tap water. And one of the problems with chlorinated water, it is not even debatable that chlorine causes trihalomethanes, which are cancer-causing. Okay? And so I've left this in the water here for a couple of minutes, actually about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and set it right here. You see, Charles, it's starting to turn purple there. Okay? Then I'm going to do the same test with my Living Water Ultra water, and we'll see what happens. I learned about water about 15 years ago, and ever since I learned what is in water and not in water, I only drink purified water. One of the problems with drinking purified water is that it's very expensive in bottles and it's very bulky and cumbersome. Okay? And then you never really know what you're getting. Now we'll let that sit there for just a second so that we have a fair representation of what's in the water. This is a very inexpensive and convenient way to have the freshest, cleanest water in your home every day. Now, think about this. When you cook rice or pasta, and those little rice kernels fluff up. What are they fluffing up from? That's right, water. When you put the pasta in the pan and it comes out real fluffy, what's in that pasta? That's right, water. Everything that you cook, whether it's juice or iced tea, whether you make orange juice, when you use the Living Water Ultra water, the flavor will burst upon your palate versus using tap water. As a matter of fact, if you make the Rainforest coffee that's available on this website, with this water, you will never have a better cup of gourmet coffee. Warning though, you'll use much less coffee beans, you'll use less juice, if a concentrate for example, because this water, you don't have to overcome all the chemicals and all the contaminants in the water. Now let's take a look at our little test chart. What we want is we want the total chlorine and the free chlorine to be down here towards the bottom, which is white or yellow. So I'm going to first show you from the Living Water Ultra that in fact we have 0 free chlorine and 0 total chlorine. But let's take a look at the water that came out of the tap, and you can see over here that we're up there around swimming pool levels. You would never drink water out of your swimming pool, would you? Filled with chlorine? No, no, no. Hey, if you want to have the freshest, cleanest, best tasting, healthiest water that you can have, I want you to go back and click the button that says buy it now, and our operators are standing by ready to send your Living Water Ultra today. You can get it on the big tall stand for your kitchen, or we have a nice small stand for a countertop. Hey, this is great water. Enjoy, and here's to your health.